right here. And if you look at our flight plan, sure enough, it makes a lot of sense, okay, because our Daggett is the destination point that we need to reach. So sure, that makes sense. Of course, now we need to actually take the information from our departure plate and put it into the flight management computer. Now I'm going to be honest with you, I'm doing this the very long way. There's actually an easier way to do this, and if you go back to the flight management computer and if we click the departure tab, it brings us into our departure and approach page, and we're going to go ahead and select the departure button for KLS. The left hand side is all our available SIDs for our departure, and then obviously the right hand side is our runways. And we're going to hit the next button until we find loop 4, and sure enough, there it is. And all we would need to do is just select loop 4, but don't do this. We would just need to select loop 4, and it would plug all the information from our departure plate into the flight management computer. So why in the hell am I doing this the long way? Well, because it's probably better for you to learn this way if you do it the long way. And two, the other more important reason is that this information is not always going to be up to date depending on what database cycle you have into the flight management computer. I always prefer to just do things by hand. So let's go ahead and start entering our... So back over at our plate, let me just look at a route description. We're going to be departing from runway 25 left, and we're told to climb via heading 250 to cross the SMO radial 160 at or below 3000, then turn left.
Oh, the first day that we signed up for Monday.